Alhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah amma ba'd. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Welcome students to Quran Foundation course. Alhamdulillah ta'ala, we have done 12 lessons of Quran Foundation course, Noorani Qaida course. This lesson is lesson 13, which is another tadrib, another exercise for tashdid sign. But here we got Shadda, which is tashdid as well, because it got two names, right? Shadda and tashdid. Both of them, you can say both of them. Tashdid, and we got Sukoon as well. As you know, Sukoon and Sakin is an Arabic sign. It is still a movement, and that is something which doesn't take the sound of letter up or down or around. It makes the sound of letter still as it was, right? So here today we got two different signs together. One is Shadda, Tashdid, you can say both of them as I stated, and the second one is Sakin. So today we're gonna learn how to say Tashdid, Shadda, how to say Shadda with Sakin whenever they come together, right? So say Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, repeat after me. Okay. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Mim Ra Fatha Mar. Ra Waw Dhamma Ru. Marru. You know, we have explained that Shadda is doubling the vowel, the sound of vowel. So that's why I am pronouncing Ra here twice. First with previous letter and secondly itself. So Mim, Ra, Fatha, Mar, and Ra, Waw, Dhamma, Ru. It's Marru. Marru. Here. So that the Waw got Sukoon sign, right? So Ra, Waw. Ra is connected with Mim first, and because of Sakin sign, it is still connected with Waw because Waw got Sakin sign. So Mim, Ra, Fatha, Mar, Ra, Waw, Dhamma, Ru, Marru. So we are connecting and joining Ra and Waw here as well. Another example, Ra, Ba, Fatha, Rab. Say that with me. Rab, Ba, Ya, Kasra, Bi, Rabbi. And Ya is Yamadda, as you know. Mim, Dal, Dhamma, Mud. Dal, Ta, Fatha, Dat. Muddat, Muddat. Here, Muddat, Muddat. Dal, Ta. They are connected. Dal, Ta, Fatha, Dat. Muddat. Ha, Qaf, Dhamma, Huq. Qaf, Ta, Fatha, Qat. Huqqat. Right? Kha, Fa, Fatha, Khaf. Fa, Ta, Fatha, Fat. Kha, Kha, Fa, Fatha, Khaf. Fa, Ta, Fatha, Fat. Khaffat. Khaffat. Ta, Ba, Fatha, Tab. Bata. Bata. Because that is a Sakin sign, you know, and ta got that sign, it cannot move the sound alone. So that's why we are seeking help, we are taking help from previous letter, which is ba here in this example. So bata, fathabat, tabbat, right? Okay, with our spellings, marru, rabbi, muddat, huqqat, khaffat, tabbat. Second line, ta fathata, kha lam fatha khal, lam ta fatha lat, takhallat, takhallat, right? Ta kha lam lam ta, takhallat, qaf dal fatha qad, dal mim fatha dam. Dal and mim, they are connected. Qaddam, dam, right? Ta dhammatu, qaddamtu. Say qaddamtu, like that. Waw sad fatha was, sad ba dhamma sub, was sub, ha kasra hi, was subhi, was subhi, subhi. Wow and sad, they are connected. Alif and lam, alif is uh, alif got there is the absence of sign, so we cannot say alif here. There is no hamza, it's alif, so alif is silent, lam is silent as well, and waw and sad, they are connected. Was subhi, was subhi. Same is the case with waw sheen fatha wash, sheen meme fatha. The thing which we are focusing on in this lesson is how to pronounce sakin and tashdid and shadda sign whenever they come together, right? Washamsi, waw sheen fatha wash, sheen meme fatha sham, sin kasra si, washamsi. Okay, say that without spellings. تخلت قدمت والصبح والشمس. Got it? Okay. Waw sheen fatha wash. Again, alif and lam, they are silent. Waw is connected with sheen. Sheen and waw, they are collectively pronounced here. Sheen, once it is being pronounced with waw, and secondly it is being pronounced with fa as well, because we got sakin sign our fa, so we must consider that sign as well, because that sakin sign alone cannot take the sound of letter up, down, or around. So we must seek or take help from previous letter, which is having that vowel. So in this case, washaf'i case, we got that sign our sheen. So washaf'i, like that, right? So here is the spelling: waw sheen fatha wash, sheen fa fatha shaf, والشف عين كسر عي والشفعي با صاد كسر بس بس it's صاد, right? It should be bold and heavy. صاد با فتحة صب قلقلة here over the ba. بس صب را كسر ري بالصبر بالصبر. Waw, Sod, Fatha, Was. Alif and Lam, they are silent. Was, Sod, Ya, Fatha, Soy. Ya is Yalin. We don't pull the sound of Ya here for 1 second, because whenever we have Kasra before Ya, we are supposed to pull the sound, stretch the sound. But here we got Fatha. So, was, Soy, Soy. It's not Say, it's Soy. Fa, Kasra, Fi. Was, Soy, Fi. Next, waw lam fatha wal, lam ya fatha lay, wallay, lam kasra li, wallayli, ya is yalin. Okay, without spellings. Washaf'i, bisabri, wassayfi, wallayli, wallayli, layli. Not ya madda, it's yalin. Next line is waw ta fatha wat, wat ta ya kasrati, wat ti. Ya is ya madda now, right? Because we got kasra before it. Ti noon kasrani, wat tini, wat tini. Okay. Waw za fatha was, za should be sharp. Was za ya fatha zay, was zay. Ta waw dammatu, was zaytu. Noon kasrani, was zaytuni, was zaytuni. Sin jim kasra sij, jim ya kasra ji, sijji. Lam kasratain, you can say kasratain or double kasra as well. Sijji, lam kasratain lin, sijjilin, Sin Jim Kasra Sij. Jim Ya Kasra Ji. Sijji. Noon double the Manun. Sijji Noon. Sijji Noon. Okay, I think that's enough. Next three lines, I would like share the page, and you people must practice these next three lines, right? They are like same as we have done, like these four, like four lines of lesson number 13, right? Shadda and Sukoon sign, they came together. Whenever they come together for Shadda, because you know, in Shadda, there is a doubling of vowel, and Sakin is something which is not Fatha, Kasra, and Zamma. Absence of sign, absence of Fatha, Kasra, Zamma means sakin sign, right? Whenever we have sakin sign, it means that we must say that sign with previous letter, a letter which has vowel, whether it is fatha, kasra, or zamma. I hope you got the lesson, and see you inshallah ta'ala in our next class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.